Why do basketball player archetypes change with rule evolution? Imagine watching a game from decades ago and seeing players mostly stay close to the basket, battling for rebounds and scoring inside. Now picture today's game with sharpshooters, versatile defenders, and players switching positions at will. What caused this big shift? It all comes down to how the rules of basketball have changed over time. These rule changes reshape the game's strategy, which in turn influences the kinds of players that succeed on the court. In the early days, basketball was a game of size and strength. Big men like centers and power forwards dominated the paint, focusing on inside scoring and rebounding. Guards mainly handled the ball and set up plays, while wings played perimeter defense and scored from the outside. The rules back then favored physical play and inside scoring, so players specialized in those roles. As the game evolved, so did the rules. The introduction of the three-point line made outside shooting more valuable. Restrictions like defensive 3-second violations and hand-checking rules limited physical defense and allowed for faster, more open play. The pace of the game sped up, and players needed to be more versatile. Now, a player who can shoot from long range, switch defensively across multiple positions, and handle the ball well is more valuable than ever. Advanced player evaluation metrics reflected these changes. Instead of just counting points and rebounds, analysts now look at how well players shoot three-pointers, their assist-to-turnover ratios, and their ability to switch defensively. The idea of positionless basketball has become common, meaning players are judged more by their skills than their traditional roles. Players who once specialized narrowly, like pure post scorers or short-range guards, have seen their archetypes fade or transform. The game rewards multi-dimensional players who can do many things well. Big men who can shoot from outside and defend multiple positions are now more valuable than traditional centers who only scored inside. Teams build lineups based on these evolving archetypes. The modern 3-and-D wing combines perimeter shooting with strong defense, fitting the current emphasis on spacing and switching. Big men who can shoot from outside and defend multiple roles are highly sought after in today's game. In short, rule changes reshape the strategic landscape of basketball. These changes influence what skills are most effective, which is reflected in the statistical profiles teams and scouts now prioritize. As a result, player archetypes continually shift to match the demands of the game as it evolves.